I'm Clea. We are Kerala team, and this is Atya Patia Sports. And I think the Telangana Association have done as a great job because they have arranged us all the facilities. It was all good. The food was very well, and I think we have achieved the first prize after 12 years. It was all the teammates' hard work, coordination, and our SAR's help. Our coach, they helped us in everything, and we are thankful to every association and our team members. Thank you.
Ninth Men and Women Atyapatia Championship, Federation Cup Atyapatia Championship, organized by the Telangana State Atyapatia Association and jointly organized by Nagar Kurnool District Atyapatia Association. The Nagar Kurnool District organized by Kalvakurti area. Kalvakurti area is atmosphere very pleasant. We played here and we Kerala team won the match. Thank you everyone for cooperate with us in the Kalvakurti people. Thank you for everyone.